So here I'm going to do a sample for this new unit. This is the HDMI extender. The part number is R013-EXT-U-PNH. And this one is a Mini-HDMI. So here's the transmitter side. You notice it's a Mini-HDMI connector. And it uses power from a micro USB. And on the receiver side, it comes in from UTP and also uses micro USB power. But on the output, it's a regular HDMI cable, HDMI connector. So that's the set right here. Now, because on the one more thing I should notice on the remote side, we also include a local port in case you want to see it. So that's it. Now, because it's a micro HDMI, or actually it's a mini HDMI, I will be using an adapter from a mini HDMI to a regular HDMI because most players are regular HDMI. So put that on. Now, in my first test, on this test, I'm gonna be using LG player, so that's why I'm using the adapter, and I'll be using a 125 feet category 5E cable, which is right here. I'll be using two TVs. My Sony TV will be the extended. My Seki TV will be the local. So on my Seki TV, I have a 16-foot HDMI cable connected to it. So, and also additionally, I'll be using, since I need USB power, I'm getting power from here with my USB cables. So let me start connecting everything first. Let me connect the receiver side first. So I'm gonna plug it in. Plug in the power, and once I immediately plug the power in, you know the green LED will light up. Now the orange LED will light up after I finish everything plugging in and the player is turned on. So you won't see it here. But let me plug everything in. Now this also has an equalizer, so you can adjust that later. I already pre-adjusted it, so let me plug that side in. Okay, so I plugged it in. Now on my transmitter side, same thing. I am going to plug in my UTP cable as well as my power. And again, once I do plug this in, the green LED comes on. The orange LED did a little flash, but nothing came on. Next, I'm going to plug in my local. So everything right here is plugged in on this side. Lastly, I'm going to plug this into the player. Now, everything plugged in. Let me lastly turn my player on. Remote control. Turn my player on. And once I turn the player on, you notice the orange LED comes on right here on the transmitter, as well on the receiver side. The orange LED does come on the receiver side also, because signal is passing through, so everything works. Now let me show you a quick setting. I'm doing resolution is auto, but it's going to be 1080p. And here you see 60 Hz. So let me go back to the player and hit play. So without hitting play, let me show you my resolution on my TVs when I start loading up. So look at both TVs, it says 1080p, but on the local says 60 Hz. So we're actually playing 1080p 60 Hz. And here, let me quick forward it so you can actually hear some sound. Alright, now I have muted the local port just because we're mostly focusing on the remote side first, the extended side. I get to the menu screen. So here, video already comes up, you can see it. And you hear the audio. Let me just select the scene real quick. So here, quick scene. and you hear the audio.
This can't be done. This again. Just have to go deep enough. You don't know that.
So, audio video passing right now over 125 feet, Cat5e. And again, I'm saying I'm using an adapter on this side because it's my mini HDMI, but most players are not mini HDMI, so I'm using an adapter. And everything right now looks work. Let me unmute mute this one and then unmute the Seki. So here, see both TVs have audio coming out, and that's it. That's this unit work. This R013-EXT-U-PNH working.